An artifact is Claude building you an actual working thing instead of just describing it. A calculator, a tracker, a web page, a document, opened in its own window that you can really use. Before you start, check it is switched on. Open Claude, tap the menu icon, tap your name for settings, then tap Capabilities. The row you want is Artifacts. Generate content like code snippets, text documents, or website designs in a dedicated window. Mine is on. Now go back and start a new chat and ask for something Claude can actually build. I am asking for a simple daily water intake tracker web page with 8 glass buttons I can tap. Give it a moment. This one takes longer than a normal answer because Claude is writing real code rather than a paragraph, and you can watch it working away underneath. When it finishes, look at the very top of the answer, a small chip that says 1 artifact. Tap that chip, and it opens in its own full-screen window with the file name across the top. This is not a picture of an app, it is the real thing running. A title, a counter reading 0 of 8 glasses, 8 empty glasses, and a reset button underneath. So use it. Tap a glass and watch it fill with blue, and watch the counter climb. 1, 2, 3 of 8 glasses. Every tap updates instantly, exactly like a real app would. And there is the reset day button at the bottom, which empties them all and puts the counter back to 0. That is the difference between an artifact and an ordinary answer. Now to keep it, tap the 3 dots in the top right of the artifact window. You get Preview, Code, Publish, Copy, and Download. Tap Code, and you can read the actual source Claude wrote. Tap Preview to go back to the working version. Then tap Download, and the file saves straight to your phone's Downloads folder, so you can open it in any browser later. Publish is up there too, but that puts it on a public link, so only use it if you mean to. So, quick recap. Make sure Artifacts is switched on under Settings, Capabilities. Start a new chat and ask Claude to build something rather than explain it. When it finishes, tap the 1 artifact chip at the top of the answer to open it in its own window and use it right there on your phone. Then tap the 3 dots for Code, Preview, and Download, and Download saves the real file onto your phone. If this helped you out, a thumbs up and a subscribe really do help the channel. Thanks for watching.